Over the past 2 decades working with blockchain infrastructure, I've reviewed hundreds of developer profiles. And I can tell you with certainty, your GitHub isn't just a code repository, it's your professional passport to the global Web3 market. When international recruiters from firms in Berlin, Singapore, or San Francisco evaluate candidates, they spend an average of 90 seconds on a GitHub profile before deciding whether to continue. That window is brutal, and most talented developers waste it. Let me share what actually works, based on my experience hiring and mentoring blockchain engineers. Structure your repos like a product, not a diary. The most common mistake I see is treating GitHub as a chronological dump of experiments. Recruiters don't want to scroll through 40 half-finished tutorials. They want to see 3 to 5 polished projects that demonstrate real capability. For Stellar and Soroban work specifically, I recommend pinning repositories that showcase distinct competencies, one tokenization contract, one DeFi primitive, like an AMM or lending pool, and one full-stack dApp with a working front-end. Each should have a professional README with a one-line value proposition at the top. Architecture diagrams, use Mermaid or Draw.io, setup instructions that actually run without errors, a live demo link or deployed testnet address. When I built my Soroban tokenization templates, I made sure anyone could clone and deploy them in under 5 minutes. That reproducibility is what separates a serious engineer from a hobbyist. As I've learned that a recruiter who can run your project in minutes trusts your engineering discipline immediately. Prove on-chain impact with verifiable evidence. Web3 has a superpower that Web2 lacks: everything is verifiable on-chain. Use it. Instead of claiming, "I built a token contract," link directly to the deployed contract on Stellar Expert or a Block Explorer. Show the transaction history. Include the contract hash. Concrete data matters enormously. In my hiring experience, candidates who included metrics, processed 12,000 testnet transactions, audited by X tool with 0 criticals, gas optimized to reduce fees by 40%, received callback rates roughly 3 times higher than those with vague descriptions. Add a file documenting how you handle vulnerabilities. Given that DeFi exploits drained over $2 billion in 2023 alone, recruiters actively look for developers who think about security first. Include test coverage badges.